welcome back to my world and my cooking channel. So today I have a special guest star, my mom. And today we are going to be making some homemade pizza dough. So let's get started. And actually pizza, we're going to make pizza dough and pizza.
Pour the water in the bowl.
So you're going to need 1 cup of water.
And 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. Should put that up.
And a quarter.
And then we're just gonna put it inside the microwave and set the timer for 10 minutes. So now we have to wait 10 minutes.
Okay, we'll be back in 10 minutes. It's ready!
So our yeast mixture has come out of the, well, it was in the microwave, but
Yeah.
it wasn't cooking. It was just on for, the timer was on for 10 minutes. And it should look foamy. That's how you know it's cooked. You're gonna wanna add to this
You're gonna wanna add,
2 tablespoons of olive oil.
and you're gonna preheat your oven to,
450 degrees.
okay, now you're gonna add a teaspoon of salt,
And it was 2 tablespoons of olive oil,
1 teaspoon of salt,
and then 2 1/2 cups of flour.
1 cup, and do 2 of these.
Yeah, that was right.
1 1/2. That's half.
Looks like you're going for it too.
That's half.
Right,
1 1/2 cup, or 2 1/2 cups of flour. Now you're gonna take your spoon and you're just gonna stir it all together. It should have a dough-like consistency.
Good call, since it is dough.
So now that it's all mixed together, it's gonna have to sit for 5 minutes. So we're gonna let the dough sit in the microwave. We're not turning it down, but we're gonna let the dough sit in the microwave for 5 minutes. And while that's cooking, we're gonna do the sauce. So you will need 1 can of tomato sauce, 8 ounce.
Okay, pour it in your bowl.
So you're gonna pour it in your bowl. Whoa, look how red it is.
It's made from tomatoes.
This isn't gonna be the lesson. Teaspoon of sugar. And you're just gonna pour that in.
That will cut the acid in the tomato sauce. And then you need some Parmesan cheese.
About a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. And then you need a little bit of garlic powder.
Probably about a teaspoon of garlic powder.
And then you're
And
gonna,
a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Okay, stir
so
it all.
ours looks kind of like that. You're gonna grab a spoon and you're just gonna stir it all together.
So we have 2 minutes to wait for the dough.
So we're gonna clean this up and be back. Now you're gonna spray your pans with some cooking spray. So we're doing a rectangle pizza and we're doing a round pizza.
All right, the dough is done resting. So this recipe is meant to be used for 1 pizza.
Super good.
But we like thin crust at our house, so we make 2 pizzas with the 1 batch of dough.
Okay,
Do you
we're
wanna
gonna start
do-
with our circle pan.
Do you want to do the round one and I'll do the...
Sure. I can see the dough, kind of. Oh, it needs to be fine. Okay, so now you can kind of see the dough. You're just gonna knead it and add some flour on top of the dough. And you're just gonna knead it. Our pizzas and they're done. And take your sauce, we need 2 spoons, and spoon off a little bit. Like,
All right, we're ready for cheese.
Yay! So we have a blend of mozzarella and
Sharp
cheddar. And
But you can do whatever kind of cheddar you like, or no cheddar at all.
so it's less sharp than mozzarella. Boar's head pepperoni.
All right, very good.
Our oven is heated to 450.
Timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes. Trade places and then another 8 minutes. And we'll show you the finished product. Pizza is ready.
Well, it's ready
Well-
to switch.
Already to switch.
Set it for 5 minutes. And then we'll come back and check them.
So guys, the pizzas are done. Make sure you have an adult help you, or if you are an adult, be careful on taking the pizzas out. They should look something like this. So let them cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're ready to eat.